Hey all you cool cats and kittens, this is Chris with OneSupport.com, and today I'm bringing you a video providing tips with those of you that are working from home during this COVID-19 crisis. At OneSupport, we've been providing employees with work-at-home positions for almost 15 years, and we recently wrote this blog providing tips on how to stay healthy and sane during the COVID-19 crisis. Let's take a look at some of these tips.
Okay, the first tip that we posted was to create a dedicated office space. While my son has been over at his mom's house, I've actually been using his room as my home office. So I've actually been using his room as my home office because, for one, it's the most well lit. Right now I don't even have the lights on, but because of the windows in his room, it's very well lit and I can see everything clearly. Also, it's the quietest room in the house. Right now, I have the TV on in my living room and I can't hear it. So it's a quiet, distraction-free workplace. Also, his desk has enough room for my laptop, and he has a gaming monitor for his Xbox that I could plug into my laptop if I need dual monitors. Also in his room, we have this Google Nest Wi-Fi access point that provides a great connection to our Wi-Fi router. It also acts as a Google Home Mini, so it could do things like this. Hey Google, how's the weather today?
It'll be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 88 and a low of 70.
Or, hey Google, play Sussudio by Phil Collins.
Sure, Sussudio by Phil Collins. Here it is on Spotify.
Also, make sure that you have a comfortable ergonomic chair to work from. I'm using this DX Racer chair that a lot of professional gamers use. I brought this in here from my Xbox because I knew I'd be sitting for hours working and wanted to make sure I was comfortable, had an ergonomic chair that wouldn't hurt my back.
The blog we posted also discusses some security tips while working from home. For one, you're going to want to make sure that your Wi-Fi network is password protected. That's going to prevent people from leeching off of your Wi-Fi and slowing down your bandwidth. Additionally, it's going to make it harder for hackers to access your network and therefore access all of the devices that are connected to it. For you employers out there, you're going to want to make sure that none of your employees are running outdated operating systems that are more susceptible to security threats. You might also want to consider requiring your employees to connect to a virtual private network before accessing any of your online tools or systems. Also, as frequently as possible, make sure your employees are running virus and malware scans on their computers. For more information regarding how to run a remote workforce, feel free to visit us at OneSupport.com or give one of our small business technology advisors a call at the number on your screen. Another tip that we've posted for a remote workforce is to take advantage of your breaks. It's easy for us to get lost in our work while we're working from home, so make sure you're standing up frequently and moving around. I like to go outside often and water the grass or just walk around and get some fresh air. It's also important to maintain a schedule while working from home. So for example, every morning I wake up, I get my cup of coffee, I watch the news for a little bit, I'll take a shower, I'll get dressed, and then I'll begin working. I do the same thing every day to kind of get my mind ready to begin the workday. I also take my breaks at the same time every day. I begin working at 7 a.m., so I take a break at 9, take lunch at 11, and take another break around 1:30. Maintaining that schedule keeps me engaged throughout the day and ensures that I don't feel fatigued or exhausted by the end of the day. Our final tip is to exercise regularly. This is actually very important whether you're working from home or commuting to an office. Every day when I get off work, I go for a 30-minute walk and then I begin doing push-ups, sit-ups, squats, and do some exercises with dumbbells or a barbell that I have here at my house. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. I'd love to know how your work from home experience is going during this crisis, so leave a comment below letting me know what you're doing to stay sane. And in the meantime, if you guys have any questions about ways to improve your work from home situation, feel free to visit us at OneSupport.com or give one of our technology advisors a call at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.